Hi, I'm Mike from Ram Clutches, and we're excited today to introduce our new Concept 10.5-inch dual disc for Dodge Challenger and Hellcat applications. Now the unique thing about this unit is it will work with either the factory flywheel or with our new aluminum flywheel that's available as well. Utilizes a steel friction plate that bolts to the flywheel first, and then the standard Concept unit which bolts on top of that from there. Now with the Concept, you're going to get features such as a 10.5-inch diameter, which is going to have better ability to dissipate heat over time, and it's going to equal longer life for the clutch for you. And it's going to be available either with 300 or 900 series friction material, depending on your needs. And it uses a 2,400 pound clamp load, so you're getting some more clamp than you get with some of the other units that are out there. Now be sure and check out this unit and all the clutches we offer for Dodge Challenger at ramclutches.com.